Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reorder pipeline stages in Copper CRM. All right. This is actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead and log into your Copper account and then go ahead and find the pipeline where you wanted to edit or reorder the pipeline stages. Okay. Just click on it. And once done, as you can see here, for this example, we have stage 4, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 1. Now, we would want stage 1 to go here, stage 4 to go here, and 2 and 3 as well. Okay, so what we'll do is go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon, click on it, and then here we have stages under workflow. Okay, right here. So just click on it, and as you might have noticed, okay, I'm just going to zoom in. There you go. We have these icons or the move function. Okay, so what we'll do is just click and hold onto it right here, and then go ahead and move it wherever you want. Okay, let's say I'm going to move it right here at the very last. Stage 1 right here, I'm going to click and hold, move it at the top. Stage 2, 3, and 4, perfect. Okay, so what we'll do is just go ahead and click on save right here, and once done, close it, and there you have it. Okay, that is now in order. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. That's basically it. That is how you reorder pipeline stage here in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.